This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Release the locking tab at the base of the mounting block and slide the blade out of the hooked end of the arm. Fit the new wiper blade by attaching it into the end of the arm. An audible click can be heard that indicates the blade has been locked in. Lower the arm to the windscreen.